Great googly moogly people of Earth, you've reached Waifu Weather. I'm not Ayla, I'm Clarence G. Worm, channel mascot for Waifu Weather. Why am I a worm, you ask? Because I glow. A powerful upper-level trough is traversing the west today. It will be responsible for producing a plethora of weather hazards throughout the end of the week and into the coming weekend. Throughout tonight, heavy mountain snow and strong wind gusts are expected throughout the Rockies as far west as the Sierra Nevadas. Over a foot of snowfall is forecast through Friday morning in the central and southern Rockies, while peak wind gusts in parts of the southwest range between 40 and 70 miles per hour. The storm system then reaches the Great Plains on Friday, with barometric pressure values deepening to near record lows for March. The weather hazard with the biggest footprint of impacts is the wind field, with wind gusts exceeding 50 miles per hour from the Rockies and the Great Plains to as far east as the western Great Lakes through Saturday afternoon. On the northern side of the storm track, Friday night a wintry mix will be transitioning with periods of snow that will envelop the eastern Dakotas and the Minnesota, and that's going to linger through Saturday afternoon. Combined with the strong wind gusts associated with the storm, there is potential for blizzard conditions that result in dangerous travel. The weather pattern is also going to produce strong temperature contrast from the west to the east coast, with troughing aloft continuing over the west into Saturday, so more rain and mountain snow expected in the Pacific Northwest. Temperatures will be colder than normal for the west coast to the front of the range through Saturday. Meanwhile, a strong spring-like surge of warmth will engulf much of the eastern U.S., so high temperature anomalies of 20 to 30 degrees above normal are forecast in the Midwest and the Great Lakes on Friday, and some areas seeing breaking high temperatures as far south as South Texas. Spring-like warmth will be common east of the Mississippi River on Saturday, with numerous record warm temperatures and daytime highs anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees above normal. So this side is all kerfuckled, and this side is all warm and goopy. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica is looking clear right now and going to continue to be clear. They're sitting at 9 degrees with winds coming from the north at 8 miles per hour, giving them a real feel of -1 degree. That's actually pretty warm for an Antarctica. Enjoy those continuing summer conditions down there. For baloney, I mean Alaska, you have an active storm tracking across the Pacific, and that continues into the North Pacific. It's going to continue to enter the West and the Gulf region. The first system of interest during this forecast is expected to pass just south of the Alaska Peninsula on Monday and then reach the northern Gulf Tuesday into Wednesday while weakening. The second storm system crosses the Aleutian midweek and then enters the Gulf by late Friday, Thursday, and most of the low pressure is going to sweep across the mainland with a steady warming trend and a warm front lifting through the Brooks Range, while the Arctic coast remains under the influence of a cold Arctic surface high. Alaska cold, I saw we. Hawaii seems like